They once asked MrBeast a question. If you lost everything, the money, the fame, the followers, could you do it again? He didn't hesitate. He said yes. And that answer shook people because it wasn't confidence, it was certainty. See, most people think success is luck, timing, chance, a miracle that happens once in a lifetime. But the truth, success is a system. And once you understand that system, you can rebuild from zero again and again. I'm 17, no millions, no mansion, no team, but I have the same 24 hours, the same internet, the same access to knowledge. While my friends scroll, I study. When others chase trends, I study why they work. Because success isn't random, it's math. And every failure gives me data. Every upload gives me feedback. Every repetition sharpens instinct. The difference between me and someone who's already made it isn't talent, it's iteration count. They've failed 1,000 times, I failed 100, but give me time, I'll catch up. People talk about talent like it's magic, but talent is just early curiosity. It fades if you don't build a system around it. Systems turn curiosity into mastery, and that's where most people give up because systems aren't exciting. They're repetitive, they're boring, they're invisible, but that's what makes them powerful. Because once the system works, you don't need motivation anymore, you just need to show up. This isn't just about YouTube, it's about life. Study what works, double down on it, delete what doesn't, repeat. Apply it to business, to fitness, to relationships, to anything. It's not magic, it's engineering. And the moment you stop chasing hype and start building structure, you stop being a dreamer and start being a designer. Ordinary people wait for miracles. Builders create repeatable ones. If you're broke right now, you're in the best stage of the system because zero gives you clarity. No noise, no distractions, just focus. Don't pray for opportunity. Build the structure to catch it. Don't look for shortcuts. Design your habits so success becomes inevitable. MrBeast didn't find a secret button. He built a machine, and every upload goes was another gear. So if you're starting from nothing, don't chase luck. Build systems, build consistency, build momentum. Because one day when someone asks you, if you lost it all, that could you do it again? You'll smile and say, of course, I built the blueprint. This is just chapter 2. Next, we talk about standing out in a world that ignores you, the purple cow mindset. Subscribe because we're not here to fit in. We're here to go next level.